What's up, everybody? We back at it again with another video, and today is his little bro's first two-stroke 50cc dirt bike. The first bike I ever got him. He rode this thing out until he was too big to ride it anymore. And this is just some footage of him and my little cousin tripping around the backyard with the bike and the four-wheeler, just having a blast. This is some of his last rides on this bike before I upgraded him to the XR80. Just figured I'd show you guys the footage. But yeah, I hope you enjoy. Girls are flying. Be careful, boy. So like I was saying, guys, this is the first dirt bike I got my brother. I got it on Amazon. It was super cheap. It was only 350 bucks. It was a Chinese knockoff 50cc little automatic dirt bike. You know, it's got a little pull start motor on it. It came right in a box. All you had to really do is put the tires on it, throw some gas and oil in it, and it was ready to go. It's a great little bike to see if they're going to get into riding, if they're even going to like it, or if they're going to stick it out. You don't want to go wasting a bunch of big money right away. So that's what I did here, and it worked out great.
Put it in drive, buddy. You're in neutral, put it in drive. Look at this guy go, huh? Let's go. Be careful, guys. Watch what you're doing. Helping him out.